everyone, welcome back to Artistry Info. I'm back. Been a while. I was kind of very busy. I didn't really have a lot of time to make a lot of video, but today I'm going to show you how to make a music video, full video with everything made from AI.
I remember what it felt like, staying up the whole night, waiting up to see if he'd be here. Hearing things up on the rooftop, eating cookies non-stop, wonder what he'll bring for me this year. Oh, I wish those days could last forever.
So stay tuned and let's start it. So this music, this is one of my projects, so I make it from AI completely. So let's listen to it and see how do you like it.
I saw you standing there across a crowded room. Your eyes hit me hard, like a punch out of nowhere. I wanted to run to you, spill everything I felt.
Yeah, so see, that is all AI. So the whole video is made from AI, and you want to check it out. I put it here in my new channels. It's called Melodies, so you can go there and check it out what music I made. I using to make this video is I use one of these animation software or app that called Muvizu. So I use this one to generate the animation. So I need to it's very simple, you know. AI is just try to make your life a lot easier, so I don't really have anything, so it's like everything very straightforward. You can look at here like what kind of video you want to make, like general creations or recording to the video. It's very much everything over here, so you on top, nothing hidden. And then they have it like all kind of different tool right here that you can choose and what kind of video that you want to make. So I normally, when I'm making a video like that, I using the bilingual story. So I choose this one, and I normally have writing the story already. So you want to like, which one do you want? If you already have script, you can just write script, and then it's up to 5,000 characters that you can use. Or if you want to just AI create the idea for you, you can do that also. So I have some script, but I don't know AI will be like take everything, because this one I use it from I asked AI to write the story for me, so I'm gonna just copy and paste, and then you can do the same if you want, like whatever story you want, and then you can pick and choose the music. So this is the story that I'm gonna write, and then because the music I already been choose from, so I can use the full AI to create the music, but I also use the website called Audio like D and IO, but have two I. So I use this one. So the way to find the music is you can check it out, this website. I will put the links below if you want to check it out. I try to get apply for referral to get some money, but I don't know if I will get it. But if I get, I'll put the link below, and you buy something, I'll make some small commission. But otherwise you don't have to do whatever you want. I just want to share my knowledge with you. So this one is really good. So the way how to use this one is like, what kind of music do you want? So for example, you want male and you want females, and then like what kind of music, let's say, okay, you can with our themes right here. So for example, I'll choose the wedding, and then I can find the music whatever I want. So I already have that. So I already have the story, the music I already download. I'm not going to download it again. So okay, so all you need to do is just put the story, the ideas of what kind of music or video you want to make. For the animation, we can use illustrations, or I can use the animation, but let's try to use this one. Or maybe you know what, let's try this one, illustrations, and then generate it about 20 credits to make one to generate one story. So you can copy like from somewhere to make it shorter, because it's too long. AI will be like, hey, this is too long, make it shorter. So they give you a red note like that. So let's just copy from here, copy, and then you can just right here paste it, and then come back to over here and remove that. So now you don't see that red mark anymore. And then this one's no video, so you want to come here and then generate or insert images right here, or like just let generate it. And then I'm gonna paste the one that we just copy and then just create it here. So now what you want to do is you want to just create the animation. So if you go with very high quality, will be take a lot more credit. It's like 1,000 credit for one video. So I'm gonna just do like a normal quality. So I'm gonna just click OK, and I will just wait, and I'm gonna pass out. Not pass out. I'm gonna go bypass time lapse. So I'll just cut off for a little bit. So that you can. It's back. Everything's now is already complete. So it take about maybe like 2 minutes, 2 minutes and a half. Some people like complain about it, but please trust me, this is like the fastest how to make animation video for like ever. So yeah, so the animation is already started. So if I click over here and let's try to look at it, here we go. Yeah, see, so each scene is about 12 seconds. So you look at that, here we go. Animation is right here. So it's super simple, straightforward. It's really nothing for me to like really teach you how to do it. So just put next and then come to over here. Now you can choose like if you want to put a title on your video. So I can pick title if I want to. It's like I can pick this title or this title for now. And then the I will just choose very slow. The scene effect I will just pick very slow, and then come to over here, and then you can choose the music or the sound, whatever you want right here. So
the only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
That's it. So that's all. And it will take another maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So I'll be back. Done, and let's listen to it. It's 5 minutes. That's a very long time.
The story opens with scenes of the town beautifully decorated for Christmas. The camera pans over families, laughter, and festive activities. Miyuki stands by the Christmas tree, looking wistful as she sings the opening lines of Christmas Love, expressing her feelings of longing and nostalgia.
Okay, so it depends on what story you write. So the story that I wrote was a bit funky, but don't worry about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take back, because we're going to make a music video. So I'm gonna just not take any subtitle. I'm not going to take any title, and I'm going to not take any. I will take scene effects, and I'm not going to take any voiceover. I'm gonna just click on none, and then yeah, and then this one just keep as it is. Continue using that. Compose it again. We'll take another maybe 2 minutes again, because it's already start over again. So I'm going to speed it up. So I'll see you in a second. Guys, it's done right now. So let's try to listen. This is what happened when the story is too long. You are just not moving. So be careful with that when you create a story. So making sure the story is not too long. We're done with that. Downloaded already, so we're good. So The next software that I use, the next app that I use is I using this one. So I using the Ovito Express. This is okay. So I already download the music and I put it over here already. So the way you do this, let me show you how to do it really quick. So before I show the video. So the way you do this, so you want to create a video, and then you can come here. When you open the app, you see the human talk, but also looking for face swap or human talking video. You can use that, and then find the image you want to download, everything in here, and then open it. So just click that, and then click my character will be singing, okay, and then right here, and then create human talking video, and then import your audio. So I'm going to import this one because that's what I want to working on, and then play with it. So use that, and now it's running. All you need to do is just wait to set that your video will be appear on the video. So just close it out, and here I'm going to show you where the video is. So the video is on the files right here, and come here. It's running right now, but I already create like 3 of them. So let's look at over here. This one is only like 3 seconds. So here, look at this one. Here we go. And now we're done. So and the next one is I just go to use in Premiere Pro, what I really like to do. So we'll talk to you and see you at the Premiere Pro. So see you in a little bit. Alright, so now we just come to over here to Premiere Pro, and you guys can just grab the video that we just download and just put it together. Download this and just put it here, and also the video here we just put it right here, and this is very long, and then you can just cut through it, guys, and you just unlink this and just keep. I normally will take just cut the I'll put this back because we want to keep the music. So all you want to do, you just cut the cut out all the, like maybe you want to keep for a little bit of the music, and just cut. I mean, you already know how to cut the Premiere Pro, so I'm not going to show you how to cut the music, but that's very much it. So just probably move. So alright, that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and comments, and anything you have any question, don't afraid to ask. Just let me know, okay? So alright, take care, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye.